Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to share a strategy that honestly, I wish someone told me earlier. Because after testing it myself, the results were incredible. This strategy is extremely simple. We only use two indicators, EMA 10 and RSI 5. EMA 10 helps us read short-term momentum, and RSI 5 shows us when the market is exhausted, either oversold or overbought. Here's the logic behind it. If the RSI drops into the oversold zone and price is sitting below the EMA 10, that gives us a buy signal. It means sellers are losing strength and a reversal is likely to form. But if the RSI moves into the overbought zone and price is above the EMA 10, that gives us a sell signal, because buyers are pushing too aggressively and momentum is about to shift. Now that you understand the logic, let's take it to the chart and test it live, so you can see exactly how this strategy performs in real market conditions. Alright guys, I'm taking a sell position here based on the rules of the strategy. Right now, the price is sitting above the EMA 10, which tells us that the short-term momentum has been pushed upward too aggressively. At the same time, the RSI 5 has already moved into the overbought zone, meaning buyers are starting to lose strength, and the market is showing signs of exhaustion. When both of these conditions align, price stretched above the EMA and RSI confirming overbought, that gives us a clean and high probability sell setup. Let's see how this trade plays out. And there it is. Profit. Clean and predictable. Alright, let's open the market again and look for the next setup. Okay, I'm taking another sell position here. The market conditions match the strategy perfectly. The price is currently positioned above the EMA 10, which tells me the market has been pushed upward too far, too fast. And the RSI 5 is once again in the overbought zone, signaling buyer exhaustion and a potential reversal forming. This is exactly the type of moment we wait for, overextension followed by weakening momentum. All right, trade is running. Let's see how it closes. Perfect. Another profit. Clean setup, clean result. Let's check the market again and see if we can find one more entry. All right, I'm entering a buy position here based on the strategy conditions. Right now, the price has moved below the EMA 10, which tells me the short-term momentum has been pushed downward too aggressively. At the same time, the RSI 5 is sitting in the oversold zone, meaning sellers are losing strength and the market is showing signs of potential reversal. When price stretches too far below the EMA and RSI confirms oversold, that's a high probability opportunity for a buy. Let's give this trade a moment and see how it plays out. And there it is. Another clean profit. The setup worked perfectly. All right, let's open the market again and continue. Okay, I'm taking another buy entry here. The market is giving us a valid reversal signal. The price has dipped below the EMA 10, which shows short-term downward pressure, but now that pressure is starting to slow down. At the same time, the RSI 5 has already entered the oversold zone, meaning sellers are losing momentum and buyers are preparing to take control. This alignment creates a strong potential bounce area, and that's why I'm taking this buy position. Let's wait for the result. Perfect. Another profit. Clean setup, clean result. Let's check the market again and see if we can find one more entry. All right, I'm entering a buy position here based on the strategy conditions. Right now, the price has moved below the EMA 10, which tells me the short-term momentum has been pushed downward too aggressively. At the same time, the RSI 5 is sitting in the oversold zone, meaning sellers are losing strength and the market is showing signs of potential reversal. When price stretches too far below the EMA and RSI confirms oversold, that's a high probability opportunity for a buy. Let's give this trade a moment and see how it plays out. Perfect. Another profit. Clean setup, clean result. All right, that's enough trading for today. As you can see, the strategy worked beautifully. Clean entries, clear signals, and controlled decisions. Remember, trading is not about taking many trades. It's about waiting for the right moment and executing with discipline. If you want to learn this strategy in detail, improve your trading mindset, and trade with guidance, my VIP program is open. Inside VIP, I share step-by-step lessons, live mentoring, and daily trading signals. Up to 20 high-quality setups per day to help you grow faster and trade smarter. So if you're serious about improving and you want consistency, not guessing, then join the VIP. Thanks for watching. Stay disciplined, stay focused, and I'll see you in the next session.